Well, hey there, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite shake recipes. I've been making shakes for probably the last 25 years, and though I love plain vanilla or chocolate or strawberry shakes, I also like to mix it up. And sometimes you can actually add a lot more nutrition to your shakes whenever you add some fresh fruit or berries to your shake. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to blend my strawberries and blueberries. I've got about a half a cup of each, and I went ahead and put my water and ice in the container. I had about 18 ounces total of water and ice, and then I also have some new microgreens. These things are awesome. These are pea sprouts, and I got them from David Smith with Eddieman's Micro Farms. They're in Dallas, so if you go to eddiemansmicrofarms.com, you can get some of these fresh sprouts. And you know, if you're familiar with sprouts, they are so much more beneficial from you than actually eating peas, or this particular one is broccoli. And as a breast cancer survivor, I always eat a lot of fresh greens, particularly broccoli. And I know that when you eat the broccoli sprouts, that it's up to 100 times more beneficial than just eating the actual broccoli. So I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to blend this up first before I add my shake mix, because this is undenatured whey, and you don't want to put that in the blender with your fruit, because if you blend it too much, you start breaking down some of the good benefits of the shake mix. I'm going to add 2 scoops of my vanilla shake mix, and I'm part of a clinical trial right now. It is with the company's called Mila Life, and this is a product line made by Paul Myhill. Look him up, he's pretty famous. And the product line is called Trilogiii. And I am lucky to be one of 1,000 people in this clinical trial. So we're going to use 2 of the vanilla protein powder, and then we're going to use 1 of the unflavored bioactive protein. We're going to add that to the top, and I love a full shake. And this bioactive protein helps to activate the GLP-1 part of your stomach to help make it so that you're not hungry. The key to it is to not blend too long. So now I have a super delicious full shake that's going to give me the protein and the vitamins and the minerals that I need. And I have some extra antioxidants with my fresh greens and berries. It is so yummy. Now you can also make 2 individual shakes with 1 scoop and 1 scoop if you want to spread it out during the day. It just depends on the day. Follow me on my 30-day journey. If you'd like more recipes, put recipe in the comment section. Or if you would like to know more about the GLP-1 clinical trial or the products when they come available after the trial, put weight loss in the comment section and I'll get back with you. Bye everyone, have a great day.